Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on story replies on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. First of all, let's open our Instagram. I will show you first. On my other account, I've made a story here. You can see there's no option to reply to the story. Now we will activate the option to reply to the story. Let's change to my other account. So to turn on the story replies, you can tap on your profile on Instagram and then tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on messages and story replies. Tap on story replies. You can see there's an option like allow replies from all followers, allow replies from followers that you follow back, or don't allow story replies. You can choose allow replies from all followers if you want all of your followers, even you don't following them back, can reply to your story. Or allow replies from followers that you follow back, so only your followers that you follow back can reply to your story. I will choose this, allow replies from all followers. You can go back and then refresh the page. Let's change to other account and see, can I reply to the story? Let's see the story. Now you can see now there's an option to reply to this story. So now, anyone who views your story will be able to reply to your Instagram stories after activating your story replies. And their replies will appear in your chat box. So that is how to turn on story replies on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!